हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 का ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर 6 ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज के केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इस वीडियो के अंदर जो हमारा केस है वो एक पैसेज है और उसी के ऊपर बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ऐसी ही दूसरी वीडियोस देखने के लिए प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा और वीडियो के एंड में भी मिल जाएगा, तो वहां से आप देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। People are a nation's greatest resource. Clear? Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. Otherwise, nature's bounty remain useless. It is only people who make the nature's bounty useful. Clear? Next is it is people with their demands and abilities turn them into resources. Hence, human resource is the ultimate resource. Healthy, educated, and motivated people develop resources as per their requirement. A healthy, educated, and motivated people can develop resources according to their requirements. Next is human resources, like other resources, are not equally distributed over the world. They differ in their educational levels, age, and sex. Their their numbers and characteristics also keep changing. All the places do not have equal number of people. That is why they differ in also their educational levels, age, and sex also differs. So they are distributed in different pattern. Let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is, who makes natural resources useful? Options are people, intelligence, or education. Answer is people. People make natural resources useful, and educated and intelligent person can make it more useful. Next question is, what kind of people develop resources? Options are educated and skilled, or healthy, or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. A healthy, educated, and skilled person can develop resources. Next question is, human resources are dash distributed all over the world. Options are equally or unequally or same. Answer is unequally. People are unequally distributed and they vary on the basis of their educational level, their age, or their gender level also. Next question is, the ultimate resources for a country is, options are human resource, natural resource, or both. Answer is human resources. Human resource is the ultimate resource for a country. Next question is, in India, Ministry of Human Resources Development was created in India, Ministry of Human Resources Development was created in, options are 1947 or 1955 or 1985. Answer is 1985. Next question is, human resource are differ in their, options are educational level or age and sex or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2, means human resource differ in their educational level as well as age and sex also. दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, रिलेटिव्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नई नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहे। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।